Welcome to Nivedita School, subject Maths, large numbers, part 6. This is the last part, class 4. Okay, let us learn more about Roman numbers, Roman numerals. So here the Roman number system was used by Romans. So the Roman numerals are written with the straight lines. So children, where do you see? So we see in the clocks, in the watches. Here are the letters used to write the numbers. So 7 basic systems of Roman numerals are given here. So Roman, Hindi, Arabic. Roman number is I. First one is I. We will write it as 1. V is written as 5. X is written as 10. L is written in 50. Roman numerals and Hindi, Arabic. C denoted by 100. D, it is written as 500. M, it is written as 1000. So here 0 does not exist in the Roman numerals. So 0 does not exist in the Roman numerals. Okay, understood now, children? So this is the first point. The numeral I is used for 1, 2, 3. We cannot repeat one more time, one more than 3 times. See, we cannot use this I more than 3 times. So that is first condition. Next one, when a smaller number comes before a bigger number, the value of the smaller number is subtracted from the value of the bigger number. See here, children, the smaller number, I is the smaller number and X is the bigger number, 10. X is 10 and I is 1. So the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So the value, what happens there? The smaller number is subtracted with the bigger number. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Always the smaller number, when a smaller number comes before the bigger number, you have to subtract. Understood, children? Next one, when bigger number comes before a smaller number, see here, the bigger number comes before the smaller number, 5. V is 5 and I is 1. So when a bigger number comes before the smaller number, the value of the bigger number is added to the smaller number. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this you have to remember. When bigger number comes before a smaller number, we have to add. So only I, X and C can be repeated. I, X, C cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Understood? You should repeat only 3 times. If you repeat more than 3 times, it is not the Roman numeral. So let us solve some exercise. Exercise 1.6. So children, you have to write this one in your classwork as well as in your textbook. Understood, no? You have to write in classwork as well as in your textbook. So first one is fill the empty boxes in the 2 tables. We have to fill the empty boxes. They are already given in a Hindi, Arabic. So here 1 is written as I, 1. 2 is written as 2, 1 plus 1. So 3 I has written 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 is written as I, V. The smaller number, I is the smaller number and V is the bigger number. Smaller number comes before the bigger number, then we have to subtract. So V, 5 minus I is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. We got the 4. Yes, no? Next 5 we have to write V, 5. Next 6, V, I. So here the bigger number comes before the smaller number. So we have to add here. V plus I is 5 plus 1, 6. 7, V, 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8, V, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 9. Here I into X. I into X, the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So we have to write 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Next 10. 10 is written as X, 10 as it is. Next 11. 10 into I. So 10 plus 1, 12. 10 into 2, 2I. So x 10 plus 2. So 12. 13. 10, 3. 3i's. So 10 plus 3 is nothing but 13. 14. X into I into V. See here, x value is 10, I value is 1 and V value is 5. Here the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So we have to subtract here. 10 minus 5 plus, 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 14. Next 15. X V 10 plus 5. So it is 15. 16. X V I. So we have to add. Why? Because when the bigger number comes before the smaller number, we have to add. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 16. 17. 10 V2. 10 plus 5 plus 2 is 17. 18. 10 V3. 10 plus 5 plus 3 is 18. 19. So here x I x. So x is 10, I is 1, x is 10. So here the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So we have to write 10 plus 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 is nothing but 19. 20. X is 10 plus 10 is 20. Next. 21. X 1. 10 plus 10 plus 1 is 21. 22. 10 x 2. 10 plus 10 plus 2 is 22. 23. X 3. 10 plus 10 plus 3 is 23. Next 24. X I V. Here the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So we have to subtract here. 10 plus 10 is 4. 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25 minus 1 is 24. Next 25. X V. X value is 10, X value is 10 and V value is 5. When you add all this, 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25. 26. X V I. So X is 10, X is 10, V. The bigger number comes before the smaller number. So 5, V is 5 and I is 1. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 26. 27. X V 2. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 is 27. 28. X V 3. 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 is 28. 29. X I X. See here the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So we have to write X I X as 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1. Here you have to subtract. So when you subtract, you will get 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1, you will get 29. 30. 10 x 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Next 31. X is what? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 is 31. 32. X 2. X is 10. 10 plus 2 is 32. 33. X 3. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3 is 33. Here you can see 4. 4 it is the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So we will write x plus x into x into x is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1. So we will get 34. Next 35. X V. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So this is what? 35. Next 35. 36. X V I. So here the bigger number comes before the smaller number. So we have to add. Third typing mistake is there. So I have written here 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 36. Next 37. X into x into x into V2. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 is 37. 38. X V3. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus V is 5 plus 3. So when you add all this, you will get 38. Now 39. X ix. So the smaller number comes before the bigger number, so you have to subtract here. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 4x are there, plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1, so you get 39. Last is 40. 40 will xl. The smaller number comes before the bigger number, so we have to subtract here. So L value is 50 minus x, so we will get 40. Here 41 xli. So here the smaller number comes before the bigger number, so you have to subtract here. 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10 plus 1, so 41. Next 50 minus 10 plus 2 is 42. 50 minus 10 plus 3 is 43. So here 44 xliv. You have to write 50 minus 10 plus 5 minus 1, because here 50 minus 10 and here the smaller number comes before the bigger number, so I have to write 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 5 is 45 minus 1 is 44, so 44. 45 xlv. 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 5 is 45. Next 46 xlv1. So 50 minus 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 46. Next 47 xlv2. 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 5 is 45, 46, 47. So 47. 48 xlv3. So 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 5 is 45, 46, 47, 48. So 48 is the answer. Next 49 xlix. So here the smaller number comes before the bigger number. So 50 minus 10 as it is plus 10 minus 1. So we'll get 49. 50 is L. So 50. So by this I will end my session. Thank you very much, children. Solve this all in your classwork as well as in your textbook. Thank you.